In this video, I will be showing you how to make flowers from Minecraft. Before the video starts, I wanted to let you know that you should join our Discord server if you want to be featured in a future video. The link is down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to be featured on a yerba mate can. I also did a Minecraft disc video, so if you're interested in that, you should definitely check it out. Now, let's get to the video. Alright, so what you need for these projects is cardboard. I'm just using a cardboard box. Box like a fish. For the paint, you just need acrylic, like the one from Michael's works great. And then you just need a square flat paintbrush to get the pixels pretty square. You also need a box cutter or X-Acto knife or something like that to cut the cardboard. And then also you can use Mod Podge to seal it in or make it look shiny, but I don't really use that just because it's like, I don't know. All right, let's start making these flowers. This is the red pansy, I think. And what I have done is I have gone around and traced all of the flowers beforehand. And all you need to do when doing that is have a unit of measurement. So for me, I chose 2 centimeters per pixel. So like right here was 2 centimeters. So you can either do every unit is 1 inch, or you could do 1 centimeter if you want it really smaller. You can basically scale it however you want. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out all of the flowers, and then we're gonna get started with the painting. Alright, so now I am going to show you guys how to make the grid pattern, and basically all you have to do is draw lines with a ruler. Also, I got these nails, I just thought they looked cute, it was Valentine's Day. And so basically what you do is you mark every unit of measurement and go along connecting the lines with a pencil, and make sure it's with a pencil so that you can erase if you mess up. Okay, so for this flower, you can see that some of the pixels are on a diagonal, which means that we have to hot glue it. So basically, all you're going to do is get some hot glue and apply it to the corners of the cardboard piece. Then you just want to attach it and be really careful. It is hot glue. I'm kind of crazy and I can take whatever. So yeah, just be careful with the hot glue. So then I am attaching the second one, and then what you do is you flip it over and reinforce it on the back, and that's where it really gets stable. and I wouldn't recommend just using your hand to like melt down the thing like I'm doing, but use like an object or like a pencil to like smooth it out. Let's do a little haul, shall we? Guys, this is a big moment. We got paint palettes finally. I got these brushes because I thought they were kind of cute because, I don't know, they're sparkly. They also have a square end, which is very important. Next, we got some white paint because my other white paint is chunktacular. This is a side note, but I got the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and it was like sold out everywhere, but we went to like 8 different stores and found it, so we'll see if I recommend that by the end of this video. So this is the stuff I will be using for the painting process. So for the painting, what you're gonna need is, of course, the colors. Now I'm doing a lot of different colors of flowers, but if you're doing like 1 or 2, you probably don't need this many. But the one thing you do need is green for the stems and leaves. So I just got this big old container, and then I also got a dark green, and then we're gonna have to make like 3 or 4 more shades with these. So that's something to keep in mind. You're also probably gonna need white and black for your flowers, so you should definitely get those too. These are just paints that I need to use up because, as you can see, they're drying out. So that's why I'm gonna be using this. You're probably not even supposed to use this, I think they're called gouache. Yeah, they're gouaches on cardboard, definitely not. But I'm gonna do it anyway because I don't care. These are pretty thick, so they work good and you don't have to do so many coats. Now let's get started with the flowers. So yes, I am numbering these, and I'll explain that in a minute, but for this flower specifically, I decided to use a white background because yellow is such a light color, and the paint is basically transparent. I also tried using a Posca really quick, but honestly, I feel like that would waste them kind of, and the amount of layers would just kind of ruin the pens overall, so I don't recommend using Posca pens for this. Okay, so for this orange tulip specifically, I was having a really hard time differentiating the different shades of green. So I decided to do like a color by number sort of thing where I numbered all of the shades of green with the same numbers so that I could just paint them and using the same color because I was losing track of what I used where and everything. And honestly, I kind of veered away from the original design because it was so complicated and there were such small differences between the shades of green that, you know what, I just kind of took it into my own hands and did whatever I wanted. But I think it turned out really good. It looks almost like one of the grass blocks. Alright you guys, so these are the final flowers. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you want to recreate them, go ahead and screenshot these so that you get the right colors and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching. Alright you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial that I put together. It was really fun to make all the different flowers and they look so cute up on my wall. And I hope you guys get a chance to make them too. They're really easy. You don't have to be that artistic to make them either. Like, it's just coloring in squares, so, you know. Oh, also, yes, that is a Splatoon, but I also have 2 Squishmallows right there. And a little crab if you look really close. So, yeah, it's Splatoon. It's a meme, it's a joke, it's an inside joke with me and my friend. So don't think I'm a nerd. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. For every new subscriber, if you comment your name down below, you will be featured on a yerba mate can. Our next sub goal is 100 subscribers and we are like 9 away, so I am so excited for that. If we get to 100 subscribers, Lilith and I will be making a cake and doing some other questionable things. Also subscribe for more Minecraft content like this. I enjoy it. I love the little community here on YouTube of Minecraft people. So if you want more of that, make sure to subscribe. Our Discord server is linked down below, and if you want to be part of a future video, you should make sure to join. We do giveaways and shoutouts all the time, so if you're interested, please consider joining. Later, losers.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of it.